Hi there, Tara here. I wanted to run through some of the top mistakes that I see entrepreneurs, even seasoned entrepreneurs, do in their business. Because I feel like it's really important that we remember that things change. Things change for our customers, things change for us, things change in the world. And if we can keep looking and evaluating on what we are doing currently, we can grow with the times, and sometimes we can even start to predict where things are going for our business in the future. That allows us an opportunity to be creative and do more than we ever imagined. So let's get started with some of these top things. The first one is a lot of entrepreneurs, especially if you're trying to bring in a new product or service, or you're new and you're trying something new, you try it but you give up way too early. So you try it and maybe it doesn't work, and then all of a sudden you're like, okay, that didn't work, let's try something else. If you don't give it enough time to try, your customers and clients really aren't getting to know you well enough, getting to trust you well enough to know what your offer really is. There's probably some sort of hole in your messaging, in your offer, in who you're reaching out to or how you're reaching out to them, that needs a little bit of tweaking to get them to know if it's the right product for them. So make sure that you're really analyzing before you just ditch the whole thing. Take a look at your analytics. Take a look at what's working out of it, what isn't working, and even research slightly with some other people to get a feel for that. Or research with your potential clients to find out what it is you're missing in your messaging so that you could do better and continue trying. I don't mean try the one thing for 2 years. I mean, try it long enough that you know it's either working or not working. And if you have to move on, take the good pieces from it, move on to something else. The other thing that entrepreneurs do is they don't really shift to meet their customers' needs or wants. They walk into it saying, this is what I am, this is who I am, this is what I'm offering. And they don't recognize that what they're offering or the best parts of them might not be what their customer actually wants, but it might be what the customer needs. So when you are marketing to your customers, know what they want, but then make sure you're giving them that plus what they need, which is whatever you have. So make sure your offer and what you provide helps them to know you're the right fit by knowing that you're going to meet their needs. It's really important for them to know and to trust you. But besides that, you need to listen to them, because there might be a piece of what they need that you aren't even touching on. Now, it could be a piece that you never will touch on, and you might be able to give some links or send them to someone else, which, by the way, affiliate marketing is absolutely amazing. So if there's somebody who offers that piece and you don't, and it's not in your wheelhouse, see if they have an affiliate program. That's just a little side note. Lastly, entrepreneurs who have been doing it for a while sometimes lose their beliefs and their passions. They lose that inner essence of who they are and what they want to be as a business owner. And I want you to be very clear with what you want for your life and for your business, because if you can keep that passion alive, you're going to be able to continue to keep your customers and clients excited and passionate about what you do as well. If you want some more information on any of this or to work more closely with me, I have different programs down below in the description, and click subscribe so I can see you here every single week. Hope this has been helpful for you, and that we'll see you next week. Make sure you subscribe below, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.